Ever wonder if old dogs can really learn new tricks, or if your pup is actually watching TV with you? Well, you're about to discover some mind-blowing dog facts that will change the way you see your furry friend. From whether dogs can sense death to the truth about whether they can see in color, this video dives deep into the surprising world of dog behaviors. And trust me, you'll never look at your dog's nose the same way again once you learn about their unique fingerprint. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to have your mind blown by these 8 fascinating dog facts you probably didn't know. Can old dogs learn new tricks? You've probably heard the saying, you can't teach an old dog new tricks. Well, guess what? That's just a myth. Just like us humans, dogs are lifelong learners. Whether your dog is a sprightly puppy or a seasoned senior, with the right motivation, hint, treats, they can pick up new tricks and commands at any age. In fact, research has shown that dogs, regardless of their age, have the ability to learn new tasks and skills. A study conducted by the University of Vienna found that older dogs might take a bit more time to learn new tricks compared to their younger counterparts, but they are just as capable of mastering them. Moreover, learning new tricks is not just about teaching your dog to sit or shake hands, it's about keeping their minds active and engaged. Just like humans, dogs benefit from mental stimulation, which can help prevent cognitive decline as they age. Engaging your dog in regular training sessions, puzzle games, or even teaching them a new trick can keep their brains sharp and their spirits high. So go ahead, teach that old dog some new tricks. They'll love the mental stimulation, and you'll love the bond it creates. Is your dog watching TV? Ever notice your dog staring at the TV with more focus than you? Turns out, dogs can actually see images on the screen, and some even have favorite shows. While their perception of the moving images is different from ours, they can still catch the action, especially if there are animals on screen. Dogs' eyes are tuned to detect movement, which is why they might get especially excited during fast-paced scenes or when animals are running across the screen. Some studies suggest that dogs can even recognize certain sounds or visuals, like barking or the sight of other dogs, which might explain why your pup perks up during certain shows. But it's not just the visuals that grab their attention. The sounds coming from the TV also play a big role. Dogs have a much broader range of hearing than humans, picking up on frequencies that we can't detect. This means that certain sounds or pitches in a TV show might be particularly interesting, or even alarming to your dog. So next time you're binge-watching your favorite show, don't be surprised if your four-legged friend wants to join in on the fun. After all, they might just be trying to figure out why you're so captivated by that glowing box in the living room. Or maybe they're just hoping for a glimpse of their favorite furry characters. Can dogs know death? This one's a bit heavier, but it's a question that crosses the minds of many dog owners. Can dogs sense death? While we may never fully understand the depths of a dog's awareness, there's significant evidence suggesting that our furry companions have a unique understanding of loss. Dogs are known to pick up on subtle changes in their environment, whether it's the absence of a loved one or a shift in the household dynamic. Their heightened senses and deep connection with their human families allow them to notice things that might go unnoticed by us. Moreover, dogs often exhibit behaviors that resemble mourning, such as becoming more withdrawn or sticking closer to their owners during times of grief. Their sensitivity to our emotions is profound. They can sense when we're sad or distressed and respond in ways that show empathy and comfort. While we may never know for sure if dogs can truly comprehend death as we do, their reactions to loss and change suggest that they experience something similar, if not the same. Can dogs see color? Contrary to popular belief, dogs don't see the world in black and white. They can actually perceive colors, just not in the same way humans do. While we enjoy a vibrant spectrum of colors, our furry friends see the world primarily in shades of blue and yellow, similar to how a person with red-green color blindness might view things. This means that while bright red toys might not stand out as much to them, their trusty blue ball will still catch their eye. Interestingly, this unique color perception is tied to the fact that dogs have fewer color-detecting cells in their eyes compared to humans. So, while their world might seem a bit muted in terms of color, dogs rely more on their other senses like smell and movement detection to interact with their environment. So next time you're picking out a toy for your pup, remember, it's all about those shades of blue and yellow, Dog fingerprint. Did you know that just like humans, dogs have unique fingerprints? Well, it's not on their paws, but on their noses. Each dog's nose print is unique, featuring its own distinct patterns of ridges and creases, much like a human's fingerprint. This means that no two dogs have the same nose print, making it a remarkable feature that's entirely theirs. Next time your furry friend gives you a little nose boop, just remember that they're leaving behind a unique mark that's as individual as they are. It's a fun reminder of how special every dog truly is. Do dogs dream? When you see your dog twitching or moving their legs while sleeping, it's hard not to wonder what's going on in their dreams. It turns out, just like humans, dogs do indeed dream. Research has shown that dogs experience similar sleep cycles to us, including REM sleep, which is the stage where most dreaming occurs. During this time, their brains are almost as active as when they're awake, replaying events or emotions from their day. So, whether they're reliving the excitement of chasing that squirrel or enjoying a peaceful run through an open field, their dreams might be as varied and vivid as our own. Dogs, like people, may even dream about familiar activities or loved ones, further highlighting the deep emotional lives they lead. It's a fascinating reminder that our canine companions experience the world in rich, complex ways, even in their sleep. Yawning is contagious. We all know that yawning is contagious among humans, but did you know it works with dogs too? If you yawn around your dog, there's a good chance they'll yawn right back at you. This isn't just a cute quirk. It's a fascinating sign of empathy and a strong bond between you and your pup. Research has shown that dogs are more likely to catch a yawn from someone they are closely bonded with, reflecting their deep emotional connection to their human companions. This behavior suggests that dogs are incredibly attuned to the emotions and actions of those they care about. So next time you let out a big yawn, keep an eye on your furry friend. They might just be mirroring your behavior as a way to show that they're in sync with you. It's a small but powerful reminder of the unique and close-knit relationship you share. Is chocolate bad for dogs? We all know that chocolate is a big no-no for dogs, but do you know why? Chocolate contains theobromine, a compound that dogs can't metabolize as well as humans can. This can lead to some serious health issues, from an upset stomach to more severe symptoms like seizures. So, no matter how much those puppy eyes beg, keep the chocolate treats for yourself. So there you have it, fascinating dog facts that'll make you see your furry friend in a whole new light. Dogs are truly amazing creatures with so much more going on beneath the surface than we often realize. Whether it's understanding your emotions, dreaming of chasing squirrels, or just being your loyal companion, dogs never cease to amaze us. Don't forget to share these facts with fellow dog lovers and give your pup an extra treat today for being so awesome. Curious to find out why your dog loves to engage in rough play? Click on the video now to discover the signs. It's packed with fun and insightful information that'll help you understand your furry friend's playful nature better. Don't miss out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and join our Nosy Paws community. See you in the next video. Goodbye!